Hello, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and today I'm just east of Pissouri. If you were to go beyond that point over there, you come to Pissouri Bay, and I'm just to the west of Melanda Beach, which is just that way. And the reason I'm at this particular point is because there's a rather fascinating little stone, it's not a stone circle, it's more of a stone square, and some I don't know what you'd call them, just an art installment, I guess. They're three what's the word? Labyrinths, as opposed to mazes, because traditionally, in days of whenever, a labyrinth was different from a maze in that it was one passage that was very winding. And this used to annoy me at school when we heard the story of the Minotaur and the Labyrinth, and that guy who left a trail. It's like, if it was a labyrinth, why would you leave a trail? But nobody cared, apart from me. But here we are. Now, I don't know who made this, but whoever did should be applauded, because it's a wonderful place. And I'll have some drone footage as well, because especially the labyrinths, they look at their best when viewed from above. But the stones, I love the way the stones have got little rings of pebbles around them as well. There's these weird contraptions over here, which I don't know how you'd describe them. Okay, they're things to hang ribbons off, so that could have something to do with praying. Like the ribbons could be votive offerings, I guess, like prayer wheel sort of thing. And here's one of the three labyrinths. I don't want to spoil all your fun, so I won't walk around it all. Especially if the one over there is the one that will take forever to do. But it does lead, and close your eyes if you don't like spoilers, to this rock here. And the one over here has a similar setup. Needs that boulder in the middle. And this one I'm not even going to attempt to do because it just takes too long. He said, sorry, I was trying to follow it. And in the centre of this one, I believe it's an eye. Looking up to the heavens, no doubt. And to get here, you effectively take the road, the motorway from Paphos or Limassol, and come off at the Letymbou turning, and look for signs going to Melanda Beach. It's normally the Melanda Beach restaurant is being advertised. Follow them, and just before you get to the restaurant, there's a good road leading to the right of it, and if you follow that, you will see this from that road. And so you just want to turn down there, and it's here. And there's no explanation for it. Perhaps it's still a work in progress. Actually, I think it is, because if you come up here, these look fairly newly planted. And the ones here haven't even got their pebble ring yet, which indicates, as I just said, it's a work in progress. And I do hope the guy who's doing the work doesn't object to me filming, but of course if he does, then I'll be happy to take the film down. But if you are watching this, I think you've done an incredibly good job, and the place is wonderful. So hats off to you. And even if this wasn't here, this whole area is a nice place to visit. And if you follow the road down, you come to numerous bays over there. It's a bit of a tricky drive for a regular car, but it's certainly doable if you take your time. And you'll have to walk down little staircases to get to the beaches themselves, I seem to recall. I think there's one down there where you don't have to, but the other ones, and they're pebbly beaches, but you can have a nice swim there, and with all the rocks it's probably pretty good for snorkeling as well. And weird plane noise in the distance there. Once you're finished, you can go to Melanda Beach restaurant or one of the other restaurants further up the bay and have a nice meal. Oh, there's a plane coming into land just up there. That's what that noise was. Hope you have a nice holiday, anyone on board there. And if you get the opportunity, hire a car and come out and see this. Because it's a really nice place. Okay, thanks for watching.